Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to add chapters on your YouTube videos using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And now, I want you to click on your videos here at the left side of your screen. Okay, let's just wait for it. And then now I want you to move your mouse on the videos that you want to add the chapter. And you can see the pencil icon or the details button. So just go ahead and click on that. And now as you can see here at my description box, you can see the different timestamps that I have or the chapters, okay? So now just go ahead and do this. Like for example, at the first timestamps, I have the introduction. The second is tutorial. The third is the next. And the last one is the outro. Okay, so I just put a random words. So just go ahead and watch your video and you need to write the different chapters that you have on your video, okay? So now when you watch your video, as you can see here, as you can see here at my description box, you can see the different um timestamps or chapter that I have. Okay. So now if you want to go ahead and watch the next chapter of my video like this, just go ahead and click on the timestamps that I created. So now as you can see that the time that I have on my video is the 45 seconds. So if you want to go back on the tutorial chapter, just go ahead and click on the timestamps and that's it. So that's it. That is how you add a chapter on your YouTube video. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.